Nola's dead. It's all my fault.
What are you talking about?
There's an inscription on the manuscript. It says, "Goodbye, darling Nola."
My career is over, my life is over.
No hard evidence that directly implicates you in the girl's murder.
We don't think he actually killed her.
If I've learned one thing as a cop, it's that you never know what people are capable of.
What's your name?
Nola,
Nola, what are you doing here?
I thought we could talk.
Author Harry Kibert was arrested today for the murder of 15-year-old Nola Kellergan, who went missing in 1975.
Look, I know Harry. Yeah, he didn't kill her.